Hello. In this video, we intend to perform the account funding in the ExpertOption broker using Tether TRC20 together. We log into the ExpertOption broker account, select the finance option, and in the deposit section, we choose the option related to USDT Tron. We select the amount we want to fund. If you intend to fund the account with a bonus, you can choose the bonuses based on the initial funding amounts to receive the bonus and your available balance. You select the amount of $20. If you have a promo code and intend to fund the account with a bonus, click on the Enter Promo Code option and enter your code in the promo code section. You enter it. Then click on the Apply option for the code to be accepted. Currently, you do not intend to fund the account with a promo code and only select the amount of $20. After this, you click on the Pay option. We intend to fund the amount of $20. We click on the Proceed to Payment option. We have entered the payment stage. We intend to transfer Tether, TRC20. If you want to change the network and transfer another digital currency, you can click on this option and select the digital currency you wish to use to fund the account from the options. In this section, we see the QR code that we can scan with our mobile phone using the wallet application on our phone to transfer the amount to the broker's account. Very well, the amount has been successfully deposited into the ExpertOption broker's account, and by clicking on the Let's Trade option, you can start your trades. Start your activities in the ExpertOption broker. In other videos, we will discuss how to fund and withdraw using other methods. Good luck.